Welcome, e-commerce site owners in the UAE, to an essential guide on mastering SEO for your online business. The UAE e-commerce market is booming, generating $5.5 billion in revenue in 2024, with projections to reach $8 billion by 2025. This growth is fueled by high internet and mobile penetration, a tech-savvy population, and increasing consumer trust in online shopping. Keyword research forms the bedrock of any successful SEO strategy, especially when targeting UAE customers. Utilize powerful tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, and SEMrush to uncover high-volume search terms relevant to your products. Focus on long-tail keywords, such as best online perfume store in UAE, to capture specific buyer intent, and consider bilingual keywords in both Arabic and English. On-page optimization is crucial for improving your website's visibility and user experience. Integrate keywords naturally into product titles, craft compelling meta descriptions, and use short, readable, keyword-rich URLs. Develop unique and engaging product descriptions and optimize image file names and alt text with relevant keywords. Technical SEO ensures search engines can easily crawl and index your website. Prioritize mobile optimization for responsiveness and enhance site speed by compressing images and leveraging a content delivery network. Implement a clear site architecture, submit an XML sitemap, and use robots.txt to guide search engine crawlers. Crucially, implement structured data markup, including product, local business, and FAQ schema, to help search engines understand your content. Local SEO is vital for targeting customers within specific geographic areas of the UAE. Optimize your Google business profile with accurate information and reviews, and use geo-targeted keywords like Online Electronics Store Dubai. Get your business listed in local directories such as Yellow Pages UAE and Dubai Business Directory, and create UAE-specific content. Content marketing attracts organic traffic and establishes your brand as an industry authority. Create informative blog posts, buying guides, and FAQs, and encourage customer reviews to build credibility. Building high-quality backlinks from reputable websites significantly improves your website's authority. Collaborate with local influencers, engage in guest blogging, and promote your content on social media to drive organic links. With the increasing use of smart devices, optimizing for voice search is essential. Use natural language and conversational keywords, providing clear and concise answers to common questions. Continuously monitor your SEO performance using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Analyze trends and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns for sustained success. For expert help with e-commerce SEO in the UAE, contact MAQ Computer Services LLC at 055-494-3599. They offer comprehensive digital marketing solutions, including SEO, Shopify development, and custom web app development to significantly improve your online presence.